1942, Sandvik in Sweden. It all started in a small town, which has grown into a world-leading company operating within metal cutting tooling solutions. And every day you are surrounded by countless products featuring components made using tools and technology by Sandvik Coromant, from smartphones to wind turbines and aircraft, among many other things. Our standard offering includes over 50,000 products, ranging from 0.3 millimeters in diameter to 4.2 meters in length, and we have hundreds of different types of cutting tool holders in every conceivable design and size, from conventional lathe bars to advanced anti-vibration tools featuring digital monitoring systems. We are often asked for tools that do not yet exist, so we design and custom build them for our customers. We have a total of over 1,800 global patents, and we file a further 150 every year. Today, some 7,600 employees serve our 42,000 customers in 150 countries all over the world. But to understand how we've managed to come this far in 80 years, you need to appreciate our key drivers: a passion for mechanical engineering, a desire to continually push the boundaries, and most importantly of all, close collaboration and a constant thirst for knowledge. Every year, 500 dedicated research and development personnel devote a combined 867,000 hours to designing new products and improving existing ones. And every year, over 3,000 yellow coat experts welcome 30,000 visitors from all over the world to our 18 centers to sharpen their skills, collaborate, and develop each other. This know-how is then shared via broadcasts, online training, schools, and academia. Our online metal cutting training platform has over 35,000 registered users. To make processes innovative and efficient while keeping costs down, the close collaboration and partnerships over the past 5 years have resulted in just over $250 million in documented customer savings. We are also strongly committed to our sustainability. Together with our customers and suppliers, we make changes to reduce our impact on people and the environment. We support the Paris Agreement and the UN Sustainable Development Goals. And with our initiative Make the Shift, we aim to achieve zero harm to people, recycle 90% of all materials, and achieve a 50% reduction in CO2 emissions by 2030. Another key area is our progress within digitalization. We are both using and offer advanced software and tools in this field to support digital manufacturing, from design and planning to machining and analysis. And when more than 1,000 companies were surveyed by the World Economic Forum, our largest production plant was recognized as a digital lighthouse. This is where we are today. We can only guess what the future holds. The only thing you can be sure of is that we will continue to push for progress, today and tomorrow.